Love reading at night? The Gritin 9 LED rechargeable booklight makes it easy. With 3 color temperatures and stepless dimming, you can set the perfect glow without straining your eyes or disturbing anyone nearby. Its 1000 mAh battery lasts up to 80 hours and 4 LED indicators show remaining power. The 360-degree flexible neck and strong anti-slip clip give you total control and hands-free comfort. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for reading, travel, or camping. Elevate your bedtime routine with this versatile and eye-friendly reading companion. Say goodbye to crumbs and pet hair, anytime, anywhere. The Saker Handheld Car Vacuum packs 17,000 pascals of powerful suction in a foldable 380-gram cordless design. It's a 3-in-1 cleaning tool that blows, vacuums, and inflates with a brushless motor and 3 suction levels. Equipped with washable HEPA and steel filters, plus a full set of practical accessories, it's perfect for cars, homes, or offices. Fast USB-C charging and long battery life make it ready when you are. The Saker vacuum is small in size, big on performance, your go-to solution for mess-free living. The HUKITEL folding wagon cart is built for real-life carrying, beach trips, camping, shopping, or sports. With a deeper and larger storage space than standard carts, it hauls more while saving your back. It folds down compactly to fit in a trunk or closet, yet holds up to 176 pounds on a strong steel frame with removable, tear-resistant fabric. The all-terrain wheels and 360-degree front rotation offer smooth movement anywhere. Lightweight, durable, and ready to roll, HUKITEL makes transport effortless wherever life takes you. Start every morning with barista-quality foam using this electric 4-in-1 Milk Frother. With one-touch control, you can heat milk, create hot or cold foam, or enjoy rich hot chocolate in just minutes. It heats quickly to the ideal 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, preserving flavor and nutrients. The 11.8-ounce capacity is perfect for sharing your favorite drinks. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's safe, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. Whether at home or in the office, this frother brings cafe comfort to your cup, smooth, creamy, and effortless. Relax your mind and elevate your space with the moving sand art liquid motion. Each flip creates a calming scene: deserts, oceans, valleys, inside crystal clear round glass. Made with eco-friendly materials, fine sand, a stainless steel stand, and a sturdy ABS base, it's perfect for desks at home or the office. Ideal for relieving stress or simply enjoying a peaceful moment, it's loved by kids and adults alike. A meaningful gift for any occasion, this 3D quicksand decor brings motion, beauty, and a touch of serenity wherever it's placed. The Groensey Portable Pacifier Sanitizer cleans pacifiers and bottle nipples 99.99% in just 59 seconds using advanced UVC LED technology. Its 2-in-1 design works as both a sanitizer box and a handheld wand, perfect for on-the-go parents. Simple controls let you choose quick or deep cleaning modes. With USB rechargeability and up to 90 minutes of use per charge, it's ready whenever you are. Compact and portable with a handy strap, Groensey keeps your baby's essentials clean and safe anytime, anywhere. Take control of every recipe with the Atexity Food Kitchen Scale, designed for accuracy, durability, and ease. Weigh anything from 2 grams to 22 pounds with 1 gram precision. Its IPX6 waterproof design means spills are no stress, and cleaning is simple. Switch effortlessly between 5 units and enjoy the convenience of USB-C recharging. Built with 304 stainless steel, it's perfect for meal prep, baking, baby food, or even weighing pets. Compact, reliable, and modern. This is the only kitchen scale you'll ever need. The Jisoo Life Portable Handheld Fan combines powerful cooling with sleek design. Its brushless motor and 5,000 mAh battery deliver wind speeds up to 9 meters per second, running up to 15 hours on a single charge. Easily adjust the fan speed from 1 to 100 with a smooth scroll switch for personalized comfort. The stylish metal body and digital display show wind speed and battery life at a glance. Fast USB charging and a compact size with an anti-loss lanyard make it perfect for travel or outdoor use. Stay cool anytime, anywhere with Jisoo Life. The TechTools Desktop Punching Bag is your go-to stress reliever for tough workdays. It suction cups to any desk, letting you release frustration instantly. With a resilient spring, it bounces back after every punch, perfect for endless venting. Made from heavy-duty materials, it's built to last through your daily battles. Whether at home or the office, it's a fun, effective way to stay calm and focused. It even includes an air pump to keep it ready for action. Knock out stress before it knocks you out. The No Doka, No Drill under-desk cable tray is the fast, damage-free way to declutter your workspace. It clamps on in seconds. No tools, no drilling, no hassle. Made from durable steel, it holds up to 11 pounds of cables, power strips, and accessories in a 1.5-gallon capacity tray. Measuring 13.8 inches, it fits most desks under 1.3 inches thick. Perfect for home or office. Designed for clean, organized living, backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, No Doka keeps your desk clean, your space efficient, and your cables under control. Step into a brilliantly illuminated space with the Hexagon LED garage light. This 25-pack system, an LZ Home exclusive, delivers a staggering 26,400 lumens of natural white light, transforming garages and workshops. Its unique, larger design casts a softer glow, perfect for detailed work. Safety is paramount with our shockproof connectors, and installation is a breeze with versatile connectors and extra parts. Built to last over 50,000 hours, this powerhouse reduces costs and comes with 2-year support. The Artec Universal Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard is the perfect companion for your smart TV, laptop, or tablet. Featuring 7 colorful LED backlights with adjustable brightness and an auto sleep mode, it saves power while looking sleek. The built-in touchpad and media keys make navigation effortless. With wide compatibility across Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and more, plus a strong 33-foot wireless range, you can control your devices comfortably from anywhere in the room. Rechargeable and lightweight, Artec combines convenience and style in one compact package. Say goodbye to cluttered counters and hello to smarter hygiene with the House Gem Toothbrush Holder. This wall-mounted cordless holder features a built-in timer function with a clear LCD countdown, running a 5-minute cycle per use for optimal cleanliness. With one-button control and wireless charging, it delivers up to 70 uses on a single charge. No drilling, no cords, just peel and stick for easy setup. It holds up to 5 toothbrushes, including electric ones, and keeps everything neat and organized. The Q9s Drone for Kids brings exciting neon blue and green LED lights that make every flight a dazzling show with 3 lighting modes. Built tough with durable ABS and full propeller guards, it ensures safe, crash-resistant fun for beginners. With easy one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3 speed options, flying is simple and enjoyable. Plus, 2 batteries double your playtime, and cool features like 3 60-degree flips add thrill. This reliable, beginner-friendly drone is the perfect gift for young pilots ready to soar. The Vipec 5.5 Portable Closet Wardrobe is your go-to solution for serious storage. With a heavy-duty iron frame, it supports up to 890 pounds and includes 4 hanging rods and 8 spacious shelves to organize clothes, shoes, and bedding with ease. Its adjustable freestanding design fits perfectly in bedrooms, laundry rooms, or walk-in closets. Each rod holds up to 60 pounds, ideal for heavy coats and long garments. Easy to assemble and built to last, the Vipec V5 transforms clutter into order, effortlessly and reliably. The Acom cordless light filtering mini blinds offer a clean, modern look with reliable light control and privacy. Made from durable, warp-resistant vinyl, these cordless blinds are safe for kids and pets. The first slats tilt easily with a wand, and the bottom rail lifts or lowers for quick adjustments. Installation is simple with included hardware and hidden brackets. Designed to fit a range of window sizes, they're available in multiple colors and lengths. Stylish, safe, and easy to use. Perfect for any room in your home. The Esvallo under cabinet LED lights bring smart wireless lighting to your home. With a 1600 mAh USB rechargeable battery, they last up to 60 days in auto mode. The built-in motion and daylight sensor detects movement in the dark within 10 feet, turning off after 20 seconds. Easily install them using magnetic mounts or adhesive strips. Use the remote control to switch modes, adjust brightness, and set timers. Sleek, dimmable, and energy efficient. Perfect for closets, kitchens, or hallways. Tired of messy toothpaste tubes and wasted product? The automatic toothpaste dispenser set is the simple, hands-free solution your bathroom needs. Made from non-toxic, food-grade ABS plastic, it's safe, durable, and hygienic. Perfect for kids and families. Just press and get the right amount every time with no contact and no waste. The super sticky suction pad lets you install it without drilling. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed to prevent bacteria. The 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter is a must-have for every plant lover, measuring moisture, light, nutrients, and pH to help your plants thrive. Its patented 90-degree rotating head makes reading easy without bending, while the durable single probe protects roots and works in all soil types. No batteries are needed. Just insert the probe for quick, accurate results. Ideal for indoor plants, lawns, and gardens, it comes with a free plant care guide to ensure your green space flourishes effortlessly. Tired of tedious chopping? The Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper is your new kitchen ally for effortless prep. Its 1.5 cup capacity is perfect for herbs, nuts, and more. Enjoy lasting sharpness with bi-level stainless steel blades and easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. Seamlessly add oil while mixing via convenient oil holes. The powerful 150-watt motor and one-touch pulse ensure perfect results every time. Say hello to quick and easy chopping. The Nectec Shiatsu neck and back massager delivers deep tissue relief with 8 powerful kneading nodes and soothing infrared heat to ease muscle soreness, stiffness, and fatigue. With 3 adjustable intensity levels and long handle straps, you can customize every massage to your comfort. Crafted from durable PU leather and breathable mesh, it's easy to clean and perfect for home, office, or car use, thanks to both AC and car adapters. Reliable, versatile, and effective, this massager is the ideal solution for relaxing anytime, anywhere. Imagine the freedom of a clutter-free workspace. The Buy-Easy 8-in-1 USB-C hub stand is your ultimate connectivity solution. Feel the confidence of instant expansion with high-speed USB ports, rapid SD/TF card access, and reliable LAN. Enjoy stunning HDMI output and power up quickly with 100-watt PD charging, all while your device rests securely on an adjustable stand. Perfect for iPads, MacBooks, and more, this compact powerhouse is your essential companion for seamless productivity wherever you are. Meet iLook DQ, the adorable touch interactive robot pet packed with emotion, charm, and fun. With a desert-inspired design and exclusive accessories, iLook responds to your taps with lifelike reactions, from joy to grumpiness. Play mini-games like monster shooting and fishing, or enjoy idle animations that change with every interaction. Kids and adults love it alike. No voice AI, just pure hands-on fun, and it keeps evolving with regular updates. From timers to holiday shows, iLook DQ is more than a toy. It's your little digital companion. The SK05 Pro Flat LED flashlight packs powerful performance into a compact, palm-sized design. With 4,360 lumens, a 405-meter beam, and up to 20 days of battery life, it's perfect for travel, work, or emergencies. Dual batteries and 20-watt fast charging let it double as an 8,000 milliamp-hour power bank. A magnetic tail, sturdy clip, and IP68 waterproof rating add hands-free convenience and durability. Its 7-mode, 8-color side light offers night, warning, and ambient light options. The SK05 Pro is your ultimate all-in-one flashlight and power solution. The Nubia Red Magic Magnetic Cell Phone Cooler 5 Pro is designed for gamers and streamers who demand peak performance. With 36 watts of cooling power and Red Magic's advanced ICE 5.0 technology, it cools your phone by up to 78 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 seconds. The 7-blade fan, TEC chip, and RGB lighting provide both efficiency and style. Compatible with iPhones, Androids, tablets, and more, it attaches easily with magnets or a clip. Keep your device cool, quiet, and ready for action with the Red Magic Cooler 5 Pro. Experience the calming magic of the anti-gravity water droplets air humidifier, where mist flows upward, creating a stunning visual illusion. This 2-in-1 device works as both a cool mist humidifier and an essential oil diffuser, refreshing your air and soothing your senses. Simple to use, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. The built-in 7-color LED nightlight adds a peaceful glow to any room. Looking for a smartwatch as tough as your lifestyle? The OUKITEL military smartwatch is built for the extreme. Crafted with aerospace-grade metal and Gorilla Glass, it survives minus 40 degrees cold, drops, dust, and water. Make and receive calls, get real-time notifications, and control your day with Bluetooth 5.2 and a built-in voice assistant. Track over 120 sports, monitor your heart and sleep 24/7, and enjoy a 15-day battery life. With a 1.96-inch customizable screen and rugged design, this is the perfect smartwatch for outdoor adventurers and everyday warriors. Transform your garden into a mesmerizing oasis with this 67-inch solar-powered wind spinner. Featuring vibrant dual-motion metal blades, a color-changing LED crackle glass ball, and a rust-proof finish, it spins gracefully with the slightest breeze, day or night. The solar panel charges by day, and the glowing LED adds a magical touch after dark. With strong ground stakes and easy assembly, it's built to last and impress. Bring movement, light, and color to your yard with this stunning kinetic wind sculpture. Immerse yourself in a world of color with the Bogues Go Color 7. This sleek 7-inch ePaper tablet brings reading to life with 4,096 vibrant hues on its crisp Kaleido 3 screen. Feel the responsiveness of touch navigation and enjoy automatic screen rotation. Powered by a fast processor and running Android 12, access your favorite apps effortlessly. With adjustable warm and cold lighting, dedicated page buttons, and a long-lasting battery, this lightweight tablet is your perfect colorful companion for reading and more, wherever you go. Introducing Zip, the world's first tri-fold pocket-sized DLP projector that brings cinematic magic anywhere. Its sleek Z-shaped design folds like a wallet, yet unfolds to deliver stunning full-screen visuals with zero-lag autofocus and built-in vertical mode for TikTok or Reels. Instantly mirror your screen without Wi-Fi, enjoy 1.5 hours of play on a single charge, and power up fast with Type-C charging. With a built-in adjustable stand and universal compatibility, Zip makes mobile entertainment effortless. Zip isn't just portable, it's revolutionary. The LFS portable Bluetooth speaker packs powerful, crystal-clear sound and deep bass into a tiny, stylish design. Its 7-color auto-changing LED lights and diamond-shaped body create a cozy nightlight vibe, perfect for home or outdoors. Waterproof, magnetic, and ultra-portable with a hanging strap, it attaches easily to your bike, bag, or shower wall. Pair 2 for wireless stereo with TWS mode. Whether it's a party, picnic, or yoga session, this speaker adds life to any moment. The LFS speaker is small in size, big on impact. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying this product, check the description box below.